Hello guys, we're going to St. Malo again. They are excited again.
We went to, guys.
Yeah.
Subscribe and like.
Yeah, that's good. Subscribe and like. Yeah, they're going again to St. Malo Beach. And we are here at St. Malo Beach. Nina Sonia's there, huh?
We can put there another thing. Not, I can put the other one.
We're here again in St. Malo, guys.
Austin, here! Austin! Austin, here! Matt, I can find the other one here. Sabi ko nga ako na yung isa, ayaw naman. So, how we do the barbecue?
Austin, come here. Mabigat yan, be. Ako na. Dito ka na kaya, ano? Dito ka na, palit tayo.
Take your coffee.
Yeah. Guys, kakain lang kami ng supper dito.
She has the kid on the leash.
Yeah.
And then the dog
Prepare
on
sila.
shot.
Guys, help yun si Ninang Sonia.
The other way around.
Kasi kahapon, yesterday, we have a sunburn. Wait lang.
Wow.
I'm scared.
You always want, yeah, scared?
I'm scared if I'm gonna fall.
Really?
Dad, please stop.
You like it?
Yeah. I can do
Are you happy that
I
you're
can do
in St.
none
Malo
hands.
again?
I can do none hands.
Really?
Wah ha 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 ha.
It's raining.
It's whistle. Yeah.
No? Yeah. We are preparing for supper.
No way.
Dito.
yung hamok doon baka Sweet.
Mamaya. Dito kayo, dito. Austin! Wow, you're so relaxing, ate.
Good.
Gorgeous? What?
Austin, that's here lang.
Because on my diet, I can't do
4:30. Austin! Ready for supper.
What kind of diet I'm on?
Wow.
Diet.
The king.
Keep it clean.
Yeah, thank you.
I saw it in special the other day. It was like $70, $67.
Wow, Nina Sonia's in the house. Aga.
It's gonna probably might have to flip a few times. so it
Papa
doesn't
Burger si
burn.
Ninang Sonia.
Because I couldn't put it in the lower temperature. It's gonna go off. So. Baka.
Guys, masarap ang ulam namin.
Baka. Oh yeah, baka
Yeah,
is right beside baboy.
Uulamin namin, guys. Ninang Sonia, utusan mo lang si Lisel. Para hindi upo yan. Yan. Ay, ate. Austin, are you ready? Let's go. Para mag-eat tayo. Wow. Yeah, St. Malo. Enjoy the summer. Austin. Gold, Mr. Matthew. That's perfect. Run, run, run. Oh. The other, Austin, you need to get the other one and shoot to Ninong Matt. Yan guys. Oh. Austin enjoying. Oh. I will get the other one. Yeah, this one. This better. Austin, shoot to Ninong Matt. Oh. I know. Austin.
Daddy, look, I'm taller. I'm taller than you. I'm half the size of you.
Look, you can see the cookers over there from here. Turn around and see the cookers.
Oh, yeah. The cook.
Oh, sarap ng niluluto niya yung sa inyo. Oh.
Alam mo lang.
Yeah.
Mukha lang masarap, pero
Yeah.
yun sila. Ano, di ba pag ano?
Yeah.
Gawin na, gusto dry lang. Hindi ko nga nilag, inano ko lang. Ilanhan ko ng fruit.
Kainan na guys. You can make your own burger.
Okay, I'm ready to make one. Open ka na. Make your own burger na.
You're hungry. Ay, ano mo na siya, mother?
Hotdog, hotdog. Yeah. This way, hotdog.
Awesome.
What? You eat spaghetti. Ate Chloe, you want spaghetti? You want spaghetti?
Yeah, bite mo na.
No, thank you.
What are you eating, Sky?
Here, Matt, there's spaghetti.
Kainan na guys. Kainan na. Kainan na guys.
You make your own. It's camping style.
Camping style, yeah. Burger. Hello Queen.
Oh, you're gold. Where's your
Hello Queen. Hello Queen.
help you?
What?
Put that photo on your screen.
Kaya ang ewan ko pa rin gusto mo nag-CCR. Ang tagal-tagal niya.
Coming to the park.
Ala, they might chasing on you. Go.
Wow. Yeah.
Can I give it food?
Don't chase them, Austin. Walk slowly. Sunflower. Wala tayo. Sunflower. No picking up. Don't go farther.
And you can't eat it?
No. That's not sunflower seed.
Abe, halika.
Take a picture with this one.
Yeah, that's a bigger one.
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah.
Hamburger is really good.
Hamburg is very good. Wow.
Hamburger na ano. Mas masarap pa ano to. Mas masarap pa kaya sa McDonald's. Matt, this is good than McDonald's, Matt.
And our baby. Ano?
Go ka na doon.
Yan guys.
Kaya nga marami pa.
Supper time.
Hindi pa ako nakasina.
Ay? Ito na.
Suka. Suka. At vinegar, kala ko din yan.
Suka.
Ang dalawang usap kayo para makmara kayo ganyan. Peach Tito Matt. Peach cream Tagalog. Gawa ka na ng basta mo.
Oh, yeah. Ito. Okay, kain ka namin ng Sonya. Tayo. Ilalive ko lang, sayang. Kaya pinunta natin dito. Yan guys.
Lubat. Dapat ikaw ang video.
Kasi, pang backdrop lang ako. Kasi lang ako.
Ibibideo mo naman yung mga subo namin ni ate na nagkakasama. Biwak mo mga.
Ah. Matt, one more.
I ate your own.
Guys, ito yung premium. Beef ni Ninang Sonya. Guys.
Bagong beto mo.
Cheese.
Juicy.
Juicy. Iwan ko lang kung hindi ako yayaman dito sa pagbablog ko, ah.
Around 50? Mama sa akin. Thank you.